In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy SatLayer or SLAY on Binance Alpha. We've got the latest updates from mid-2025, so let's dive right in. Now, SatLayer or SLAY officially hit the listings on Binance Alpha as of August 11th, 2025. What's exciting is there's an airdrop tied to this listing. If you're eligible and you have Alpha points, you can claim 525 SLAY tokens through the Alpha events page, but you need to do this 24 hours from when trading starts. First things first, make sure your Binance app is up to date. You'll need the latest version of the app to experience all the features and ensure seamless transactions. Once updated, don't forget about your Binance wallet, which is essentially your Web3 wallet. Make sure it's set up correctly and securely backed up. Trust me, having a backed-up wallet is crucial for safe trading and asset management. Next, if you want to snag some SLAY tokens, you've got to hold the native tokens used for the purchase. Depending on which chain SLAY launches on, you'll need tokens like BNB, ETH, or SOL. It's vital to have these ready in your Binance wallet ahead of time so you're all set when SLAY goes live. There's typically a countdown in place before new tokens become available on Binance Alpha. For SLAY, trading was slated to begin on August 11th, 2025, so be sure to watch out for announcements and keep track of the time. Once SLAY is live, navigate over to the Alpha section within the Markets tab of your Binance app. Here's how you do it. Open your app, find the Markets tab, and then locate the Alpha section. Sometimes it might be under Alpha in the wallet or market segment. Once you're there, finding SLAY should be straightforward, as it will likely be featured prominently. You might see a banner or a countdown leading up to its availability. When you see SLAY, you're ready to use the Quick Buy feature. Head over to SLAY's page in the Binance Alpha section and tap on Quick Buy. Decide how much you'd like to spend, and this will usually be in the form of the native chain's token, be it BNB, ETH, or another. Carefully confirm all the details, including slippage, the token amount, and any other relevant information. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and submit the purchase. After completing your purchase, you'll want to check your holdings. Your SLAY tokens should now be visible in your Binance wallet under the Holdings section. And if you're looking to claim that airdrop, make sure to visit the Alpha events page to see if you're eligible. I hope this guide assists you in successfully purchasing SLAY on Binance Alpha. Stay informed and happy trading.